This video will show you how to optimize programs on your Windows 10 computer. This should be especially used for programs that involve graphics, such as internet browsers, media players, and editing software. However, if you optimize every program on your computer, then it's pointless, because all of your programs are receiving equal priority, like they were before you optimize them. So, only use this for programs that run slow on your computer, or for programs that are not running at their full potential already. First, open Settings and select System. Scroll down under the Display tab and click Graphics Settings. Select the file for the program you want to optimize and select Add. Then you can select Options in order to choose how you want your program to run. You might ask how to find the program. To find and add a program, you will need some basic computer knowledge. You can do this by simply right-clicking any shortcut on your desktop and then opening the file location. Then you can figure out what path you need to follow to select your program in Settings. Thanks for watching.